Here we go. There's what I need to be plowing snow with. Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I've decided that this year, 2019, I'm going to try and document some of the things that I do as a young farmer in the community. Maybe shine some light on the things that younger farmers can do. One of the things that I do for my business is I move snow during the winter. I move it with this tractor right here. It's a KUBOTA M100X, 100 horsepower with a little snow blade on the front of it right there. But I was out pushing snow last night in one of the developments that I do, and I blew a line, the supply line, to the loader valve, and I had to run into town this morning and get it fixed, or get a new line made, and I got to put it back on there. It's 9 degrees out right now, so I'm hoping that this tractor will start because it does not have a plug-in, so that'll be interesting. Maybe you guys can get a cold start video in this here too. But we're going to get this fixed. We're going to continue filming here today, and hopefully that there's some interest in the community about what younger farmers do in the ag world. Stick around. All right, here's where we're at. Got the new hose on right here. There's a shield that's supposed to be going on here. I'm going to leave that off until I get to the shop. That way if there's any leaks I'll be able to tell. I got to put this shield back on after I reconnected that hose right there. I'm going to do that after this, see if this tractor will start. I did check the hydraulic oil and added hydraulic oil at $20 a gallon because I lost probably about 2 gallons of hydraulic oil, which is always fun. So now the question is will this tractor start? It wasn't plugged in. It doesn't have a block heater, unfortunately. That's probably something I should maybe look into seeing if I can get it put on this tractor. But it usually doesn't sit outside. It usually sits in the shop where it's warm. But it got pulled in here at my house last night when we broke that when I broke that hydraulic line. I couldn't make it back to the shop. So let's see if it'll start. Fingers crossed. Whoa. This thing doesn't have glow plugs. Might have, I think it's got, I think that's an engine heater. I'm not 100% sure on that or not. But we'll try it again. Not lucky. Alright, I think it's all healed up. It's warming up. I'm going to let it run for maybe like 20 minutes or so. Go inside, refill my coffee, get on the smart TV, maybe see if any of my favorite YouTubers have uploaded any new videos. Let that thing warm up and then we'll go push some snow. Alright guys, there's where I'm going to end my first YouTube video. That hose fix stayed together and it allowed me to go push the rest of that snow from that snowstorm. It's supposed to snow before too terrible long, and I'll have to get right back out there and be pushing some more snow. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, you can give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel to see some of the more videos that I have coming out before too terrible long. It's the middle of February. We'll be out there in the field before you know it. A little hard to tell by all the snow on the ground, but it won't be too terrible long. If you have any questions, you can leave me a question in the comment section below, and I'd like to thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.
Well, we're having fun now. This most likely will not work. The chain that I have does not fit in there. So let's see. Come on, give some gas. Give it some gas. Give it some gas. Or don't give it gas.
Right, here she comes. Keep your tires in the gravel. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, she's made it. Not all heroes wear capes, do they? Some of them wear bibs.
I'll kill you.